Hello and welcome to another California Guy video with your boy California Guy. What's up everybody and welcome to this video. Yes, yesterday we found out that Justice Scalia has passed away. Yes, Scalia has passed away yesterday at the age of 79 years old. And he was a conservative judge. He was the conservative right-wing judge. You know, he was a very right-wing judge. He passed away unexpectedly, actually. So he was very old, and I think he passed away in his sleep. Now, people know, if they follow my videos or ever followed me, period, that I am a very, very liberal guy. I'm probably a very liberal black. I'm a Hillary supporter. I sit on the board of Planned Parenthood, and I'm an activist in the black community. So I'm not celebrating this man's death or anything like that. It was his ideology. So it was, you know, if he could have stayed alive another 10 years, even though I disagreed with his point of view, I'd rather that. But, he died unexpectedly. So I know that Scalia has a long history of standing against women's rights, black rights, Latino rights, and he's been on the side of corporations, and different things like that. So he's always wanted America to be an old America. I know that he has shot down different rights for affirmative action. I do know that affirmative action has been shot down. Um, and affirmative action was a law that benefited black people to go to colleges and certain jobs, but he has chipped away the voting rights. He was against also Antonia Scalia and Clarence Thomas and Judge Roberts, and all those different judges was against, like, the voting rights, that there was problems that were going on in the South, and they also was against that. So anything that was racist, they were trying to restore it back to the states. Now, say for women's rights also, but I'm not going to get too much into women's rights right now. I have been looking at the news, and I've been seeing the conservatives. The conservatives have been saying things like they should hold off on Obama nominating a candidate for the Supreme Court. Now, this is so retarded and unprecedented. Now, the Constitution states that as long as Obama is president of the United States, whether it's one term, whether it's 2 years, 3 years, or even 4 years, or the last year, that he doesn't he doesn't nominate anybody. So you have the conservatives trying to, and I hope the president doesn't fall for this. He needs to start exposing the Republicans and the right wing, because they're trying to brainwash him into not picking anybody. This is the early part of the year, by the way. This is February, so there's more than enough time to vote and confirm a candidate for the Supreme Court. Instead, they're trying to discourage the president from nominating and wait, be like a fool, and just wait until November, and then say, okay, now that we get, because Obama's presidency ends in January. His presidential run officially ends in June, once they inaugurate a new president. So that's a lot of months to go to pick a candidate. It's not like Scalia died in late November going into January. He died in February. So there's more than enough time to have confirmation hearings and everything else, and submitting of the new justice. So the Republicans and the conservatives are full of shit. And I think because Obama's black, they don't want to cement his legacy with a new judge. I've never heard that a president can't nominate somebody before he leaves office. Never have I heard of that before. But let the right wing have it that, this is something that he's not supposed to do. But I think it's a brainwashing technique so that Obama will not be able to elect a new candidate for the Supreme Court justice. And I'm throwing my suggestion to Obama that he gets Kamala Harris for the Supreme Court, a black woman. She's smart. She has a lot of, she was a DA for San Francisco, my home city, the Bay Area, because I grew up in Oakland and San Francisco. And I think that Kamala Harris should be the next Supreme Court Justice. I'm throwing my suggestion out there for Obama. She's pretty experienced. She's the Attorney General of California, and she's doing a good job. And she's actually running for Senate, taking Barbara Boxer's seat. So I think that that's a person that he really should consider and look at. But I'm hoping that Obama don't pay attention to the Republicans. Like and share this video, people. I thought to give this. I thought to speak on this and rant about this. Like and share this video. Have a good presidential weekend, a good 4-day weekend. Peace out, people.